Question number 12. In this question it is given that AB upon PQ of triangle ABC and PQR is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. Then we have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. For this we take, first to prove this, first we take the given is that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. Then we take AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. We take half of BC and half of QR, because half is in the numerator and half is in the denominator. Then it can be written as AB upon PQ is equal to half of BC upon half of QR. See here, AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ is equal to half of BC upon half of QR is equal to AD upon PM. Then half of BC is BD, half of BC is BD, because AD is the median. Then AD is dividing BC in two equal parts. Here PM is the median, therefore PM is dividing QR in two equal parts. Therefore we get AB upon PQ is equal to half of BC upon half of QR is equal to AD by PM. Then AB by PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD by PM. Then triangle ABD. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by side rule. From here we get angle B is equal to angle Q. Now we take triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In these two triangles, angle B is equal to this angle B is equal to angle Q, and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Then these two triangles are similar by side rule. See, this is the complete solution of the question. Then we come to the next question. Next question is question number 13. D is a point on side BC. D is a point on side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Angle ADC is this angle 2 is equal to angle BAC. We have taken angle 1. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. This we are to prove. Now given is angle 2 is equal to angle 1, it is given. And we are to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. It can be written as, now CA upon CD. See here, CA upon CD is equal to CB upon CA. We can write it like this also. When we cross multiply these, then we get the same solution. Then in triangle ABC and triangle DAC, triangle ABC and triangle DAC, the given triangles we have taken. In these two triangles, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, it is given. And angle C is common in both of the triangles. Therefore, these triangles are similar. Then from here we get the sides of these triangles are proportional. Now BC upon AC is equal to AC upon DC. We have got this. Then AC square is equal to BC into DC. We have got the solution. This is question number 13. Then we come to the next question, question number 14. Sides AB and AC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to side PQ, PR. AB, AC. See here, AB, AC are proportional to PQ and PR. And median PM. And median PM means PD is proportional to PM. Means what we get here? The given is AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PM. It is given. Now we have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. For this, we have taken a construction. produce AD to E, this AD to E, such that AD is equal to DE. We have taken the construction that AD is equal to DE. We have produced AD to E in this way. Similarly, we have produced PM to N such that PM is equal to Mn. Join BE and join QN. This is the construction. Now in triangle ADC and EDB. Triangle ADC and EDB. We have taken these two triangles. These are the vertically opposite angles equal, and we have DC is equal to DB. DC is equal to DB because D is midpoint of BC because AD is median, and AD is equal to DE by construction. Then these two triangles are similar by side angle side criteria. These two triangles are congruent by side angle side criteria. Now these, from here we get AC is equal to EB. This AC is equal to EB. We have got this because of CPCT. Similarly, we can prove that triangle PMR is congruent to triangle NMQ. These triangles are congruent. Then their corresponding parts are again equal. PR is equal to NQ. Now AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. It is given. Put 1, 2 in 3. 1 was AC is equal to EB. 2 was PR is equal to NQ. We are to put in this 3 equation. Then from here we get AB by PQ is equal to AC was equal to EB by NQ is equal to AD by PM. We had AD by PM. EB by N cube. Here in this part EB by N cube because AC was equal to EB and PR was equal to N cube. We have got AB by PQ is equal to EB by NQ is equal to AD by PM is equal to AD can also be written as 2 AD by 2 PM. We have multiplied and divided it by 2. Now twice of AD is equal to here AE and twice of PM is equal to PN. We have put it AE by PN. It means that triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQ1. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQ1. From here we get, see here, these triangles are similar by SSS similarity rule. From here we get angle 3 is equal to angle 4. This angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Then we can say that angle 5 is equal to angle 6. We have got angle 3 is equal to angle 4 and angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Now we add these two equations. 3 plus 5 is equal to 4 plus 6. Angle 3 plus 5 is equal to angle 4 plus 6. Angle 3 plus 5 is this complete angle. 4 plus 6 is this complete angle. Now in these two triangles, this angle is equal to this angle. And we were given AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. Then this triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by side angle side similarity rule. See here, triangle AB similar to PQR by side angle side similarity rule. Now have a complete view on this question. This is the complete question.